Welcome to this exclusive walkthrough of one of the most powerful construction contracts in Canada, CCDC 30. If you're involved in high-stakes construction projects and want to reduce risk, foster innovation, and deliver better results, you're in the right place. Today we'll reveal why this contract is transforming the way teams work together. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, because understanding contracts like this gives you a serious edge in the industry.
Welcome! Today we're diving into the CCDC 30 Integrated Project Delivery Contract. Developed by the Canadian Construction Documents Committee, this document is a landmark in collaborative contracting. Its main goal is to enhance integration and alignment between project stakeholders, owners, consultants, and contractors under a shared mission and risk model. With a strong focus on teamwork and early involvement, CCDC 30 is shaping the way complex construction projects are delivered in Canada. Over the next slides, we'll explore what this contract is, when and why to use it, the roles and responsibilities it defines, and how it supports project success through well-structured legal and collaborative frameworks. What is CCDC 30? The CCDC 30 is a standard form contract specifically designed for integrated project delivery, or IPD. In this format, the owner, consultant, and contractor are parties to the same agreement from day one. The contract defines their roles clearly and emphasizes shared goals, open book transparency, and mutual trust. This means success is defined collectively, not just by an individual party's performance. The document itself is structured into articles, general conditions, definitions, and a variety of schedules that handle everything from costs to tasks. This clarity ensures all parties understand their obligations from the start. When to use CCDC 30? This contract isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's ideal for complex or high-risk projects where early input from all stakeholders can make or break success. If your project demands high innovation, strict cost control, or has many moving parts, CCDC 30 offers a robust framework for coordination. It's also useful when an owner wants a value-driven approach, balancing quality, cost, and functionality. The early collaboration promoted by IPD means better design outcomes and fewer surprises during construction. Pros and cons of CCDC 30. The CCDC 30 brings many advantages. It encourages collaboration, integrates workflows, and aligns incentives. All parties share risks and rewards, which naturally drives teamwork and innovation. However, this model also has its complexities. The governance structure can be demanding, and not every team is ready for such transparency and joint responsibility. Smaller projects or less experienced teams might find it overwhelming. It's essential to weigh these pros and cons before committing. Risks for each party. Each stakeholder has unique risks. For owners, there's a deeper involvement and the challenge of keeping team alignment. Consultants and contractors take on shared financial risks, meaning one underperformance can affect everyone. For other IPD participants, integration into the team and alignment with broader project goals are critical and can be risky if collaboration falters. CCDC 30 helps manage these through clear roles and risk-sharing mechanisms. Core contract components of CCDC 30. This contract starts with the Articles of Agreement, setting out who's involved in the scope. It defines key concepts like reimbursable costs, risk pool, and the IPD team. The general conditions lay out everything from legal compliance to confidentiality and conflict resolution, and detailed schedules provide the working tools, task assignments, cost categories, and BIM usage. This structure ensures clarity and accountability across all phases. Key sections and details. Part 1 includes general legal and structural rules. Part 2 outlines responsibilities. Owners define objectives, designers and builders execute. Part 3 introduces SMT, PMT, and PIT, management teams overseeing strategy, operations, and implementation. Part 4 defines the 4 key project phases from validation to warranty, and Part 5 allows for flexibility in assigning and reallocating work. Part 6 governs payments, how and when risk pool and reimbursements happen. Part 7 enables changes through contract amendments and owner directives. Part 8 covers dispute resolution, prioritizing negotiation, and mediation. Part 9 gives the SMT authority to remove underperformers or terminate the contract. Parts 10 and 11 handle insurance and legal liability. Together, they ensure financial integrity and project continuity. Practical considerations. Success with CCDC 30 requires more than signing a contract. Team culture matters. Participants must be ready to collaborate deeply and share data openly. Financial planning is also crucial, understanding how the risk pool works and what's reimbursable. If you're using BIM, it must be integrated from the outset with clear terms. Lastly, documentation and transparency must be airtight to avoid misunderstandings. Concluding, to wrap up, CCDC 30 is a powerful tool for IPD projects. It's designed for collaboration, transparency, and shared risk. When applied correctly, it can significantly improve project outcomes like cost, quality, and schedule.
Thank you for joining us for this in-depth presentation on CCDC 30. We've explored its structure, benefits, risks, and practical applications. Whether you're an owner, consultant, or contractor, this knowledge empowers you to lead projects more effectively. If you found value here, do us a favor, like, follow, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Sharing this with your team could be the first step toward your next successful IPD project. See you next time!